Dorothy's focus on philanthropy for the Wyoming Valley really came from her family history and was instilled in her from her parents, and encouraged her to remember that her wealth had come from the people of Wyoming Valley and that it should go to serve the benefit of the people of Wyoming Valley. Dorothy's relationship with Misericordia came about from a lunch that she had in San Diego with Mike McDowell years ago. And Mike explained to her the vision of what the university could be, and that a key part of that would be the construction of Mangelsdorf Field. And we know how that turned out. Since that point, she has been a strong advocate of the university and continues her philanthropy, as you can see with her participation in the athletic dome.
Her financial commitment to student athletes, our intramural program, and this university as a whole has made life so much better for all of us. It's a game changer athletically, for sure, to provide student athletes and coaches a place to be in the Northeast during January, February, and March. The dome afforded us the opportunity to take our outdoor sports, move them to the dome, open up indoor recreation time. So again, overall health and wellness for an entire population.
Dorothy has touched so many lives through the YMCA, the CEO with the Weinberg Food Bank, Wilkes University, Wyoming Seminary. She has served on the boards of those schools. Her focus hasn't only been that of writing a check. It has been active participation in helping this area move forward.
Dorothy, congratulations on the Trustee Associates Award. So well deserved. We are so thankful and grateful for all that you have done for Misericordia University, its students, its student athletes, and its community. Because of you, you have made a difference in the lives of so many here at Misericordia. So congratulations. Thank you.
Dorothy, congratulations on receiving the Trustee Associates Award. I can think of no one more deserving than you.
If you are interested in meeting someone who is both dynamic, charismatic, intellectual, advocate, just amazing, wonderful person, human being, all wrapped up into one, you've got Dr. Rosemary Gido. She truly is the embodiment of what we call that Mulier Fortis. She is a force, she is a valiant woman, and she is just one of the most incredible people I've ever met. I think the impact of philanthropy from Dr. Rosemary Gido is probably best demonstrated by what you see in our outcomes for our program. When you see the success of our women who are going on with college degrees, pursuing graduate school, professional careers, raising their children into successful careers in education themselves, you start to see philanthropy in action. And I think that what she has done and her generosity has done has created a legacy of excellence, both not only in the academic sphere, but also in just the wellness sphere of all of our families.
And I'm a recipient of Miss Rosie's scholarship. So I was a dropout at 11th grade, and I ended up getting my high school diploma a month before I got accepted here to the university, and I just moved straight in. I didn't even know what Dallas looked like or where Dallas was. I just drove here and moved in with my kids. And now I'm 3 years in. It means a lot to me because I grew up very poor, so if I didn't have the scholarships and grants and the help that I get now from the program, I probably wouldn't be here or have came this far. So the scholarship helps me be able to manage my money elsewhere, like with my kids' sports or their school activities.
Her scholarships are motivators. Her scholarships are inspiration. Her scholarships mean more than just that financial stewardship of this goodwill toward you to get your education. It means I believe in you as well. And I think when you have that intersectionality between a person who shows up, a person who exemplifies and embodies these charisms we have here in our mission, and you tie that together with her philanthropy and her generosity, you're mobilizing and impacting women who may not have even believed in themselves. And so I think that is instrumental when we're talking about her work and her philanthropy, especially because of that. It's way more than just a scholarship. It's a lifeline.
Congratulations on receiving your award, Miss Rosie.
Congratulations, Dr. Rosemary Gido, on this prestigious Mercy Mission Medal Award from Misericordia University. I cannot think of a more deserving person than you, our Mama G. Congratulations to you on this special day, on this special occasion, and this most deserving honor. We love you.
More than a third of the students in college right now are adult learners, non-traditional learners. I can guarantee you that a third of the money that helps students get through college is not devoted to adult learners and non-traditional students. That's why the Newcombe Foundation and their work in working with us in our Women with Children program and with other adult learners is so crucial, because there are less resources for students like that, and Newcombe helps so much with that.
I am a recipient of the Charlotte W. Newcombe Foundation scholarship, and what that means to me for Misericordia to be partnered with individuals from such a foundation is something that has motivated me and once again made me feel as though I made the right choice to continue to pursue my education here at Misericordia. There was a number of times in the past 2 years where I didn't think I was going to be able to not only financially support my decisions to continue and persevere, but also to once again emotionally, and feeling as though I was a part of that university. And the Newcombe Foundation and the faculty here at Misericordia have been more than a staple and more than a motivator to help me continue to get that dream that I want to have and becoming a licensed master social worker.
The Charlotte Newcombe Foundation Scholarship has always been a part of us finding a way and matching the right student with the right award to be able to get those students to finish when they might not have otherwise. There are few people and few organizations that have been with Misericordia as a partner to help students succeed as long as the Newcombe Foundation have.
When they came here and we had that luncheon, it showed a genuine, integral, and honest interest in the students. You know, they were there, they wanted to know our journey, they wanted to know our trials, they wanted to know how we got there and what impact that they were having on our success and our educational journey.
I'd like to congratulate Gianna, Lindsay, and the entire Newcombe Foundation team on earning the Founders Medal. It is truly a prestigious award, one of the most prestigious Misericordia can bestow, and I'm thrilled not only that they're the recipients, but that we will continue our long and successful partnership for years to come.
I just wanted to give congratulations to Dr. Durso Finley on the Founders Medal for the Charlotte W. Newcombe Scholarship Foundation, and I just wanted to say it's more than deserving, and it was great to meet you, and I'm just very happy and grateful and indebted to you. So congratulations, Dr. Finley, truly, truly.